Who invented democracy?
Democracy. Why do you ask that? That wasn't the topic of today's lecture.
Yeah, but I got into an argument with a friend and I wanted to clarify my position.
I'm sure you have heard democracy as a form of government was invented by the Greeks.
Of course, isn't that true?
Have you heard of the Rig Veda, the conception of which predates the heyday of Greek civilization by many centuries?
Yes, I have heard of the Rig Veda and its antiquity.
Okay, good. The Sangathan Sookt of the Rig Veda provides the description and the recipe for building a democracy. In fact, the Saraswati Sangam project has a discussion of this Sookt to explain its meaning and import in plain English. I highly recommend you to carefully review it. Here is the video.
Whoa, this is an eye opener. I will have to let my friend also know about the soup and the TISP video. Sir, I greatly appreciate your willingness to share your vast knowledge.
Always a pleasure, Tejas. I love your inquisitiveness and how ready you always are to take in new perspectives. Stay inquisitive, Tejas, and keep asking these questions. And now for today's lecture on history of science.